Yes, I'm here live on Facebook. You know what I don't fucking respect? A stupid ass, broke ass motherfucking baby daddy. You understand what I'm saying to you? You have the nerve to put a me in your conversation about me and fucking you on Facebook. Because I tell you, I shouldn't have never fucking joined with you. Or I should have killed my fucking baby. I should have fucking aborted. Yeah, it sounds rough. It sounds fucking hot. And it sounds fucking long and fucking peanut. But what I trying to show you, Valentino further fucking sin. You all can Google him on Facebook. Let me tell you one fucking thing, yeah? You forgot. When I was fucking in grade 10, you tried to fuck me in my ass, and I told you fucking no. It's a good thing I went to school, and I don't know like fucking better. You understand me? You forgot all the fucking nights when I fucking used to wash your dirty fucking ass boxes, and I used to see fucking blood in it. You forgot? You forgot all the fucking night when I asked you, oh, why you walking like that? The fucking little small fucking thing with the pebble with your pushing your fucking ass and white and clear. Cause I fucking saw it. Y'all don't know who was there crying y'all fucking ass. No, but that. But you understand I forget the name right fucking now. You can never ever step the fucking me, boy. You forget. You when I was fucking pregnant in the fucking road. I used to be on leg the night in the fucking road stand up and fucking when I see you up on a nigga fucking car and everybody to Milton fucking Street. Know that. Everybody to Milton Street. No fucking that. When I first started fucking liking you to Milton fucking Street, you used to go with the girl named Carrie fucking Ann. What they tell you? Oh, Carrie Ann leave Valentino Ferguson because he used to get grang in his fucking ass. You understand? So don't fucking send for me. Y'all, if y'all go on Facebook, Google the man name is fucking Bo. You understand? His name is Bo. That was Tino fucking man. You all see? When he was fucking living to Milton fucking Street, he used to be dead strong. And he spent all type of fucking money and living fucking good. Apparently, the man fucking died. So when the man fucking died, oh yes. Oh fucking yes, the man died. Apparently when the man fucking died, y'all see him turn out fucking broke and busted. But you know, I was still like little young. I was still in little school. So I was trying to put one and two together. When I put one and two together and fucking catch on, that's when I catch on. All the time I thinking that's a fucking girl. He cheating on me with. When I fucking call the number back, a man answer the fucking number. The number started 24 I like 424, whatever. I still remember how the number start from after the fucking day. Listen to me. Yeah, I'm fucking angry, but everything I saying is fucking true. I remember this clear as fucking day. If y'all walk to Milton fucking Street and ask for Valentino fucking Ferguson, yeah. So don't come at me shoot no fucking shit, but I don't take care of my fucking turn. When you fucking buy my little boy one pair of fucking Jordans for fucking Christmas. Jordans can't fucking eat, boy. Ask my son what I buy fucking him. A large fucking phone, a fucking bike, all type of fucking clothes. And anybody that asks you, anybody you fucking ask to tell you fucking that. Now back to your sissy fucking ass. Cause you don't know what's going on all over the fucking world right now. See, the hardest thing you and your big cunny can fucking do is post something about me on Facebook. Yes, I said I shouldn't have fucking have churned with you. Yes. I said I should have fucking killed my son, but thank God he fucking here now. You worry about fucking me in the club every fucking night, but I gotta wake up every morning to get my fucking son ready after the fucking club. When I gotta wake up after the fucking club and go to work, you worry about fucking me. And I wouldn't even talk about my fucking daughter. Because you don't even do nothing for fucking her. You don't even do nothing for fucking her. And Monique Boros can tell you fucking that. You don't do nothing for fucking her. You don't fucking do that for. You don't do that for where Monique say, hey Vianna, if you fucking put Paris and Tino name, you's a fucking ass. Now back to your fucking sissy fucking ass. Let me tell you one thing, yeah? I leave your ass. Don't for fucking yet. I leave your ass because you was a fucking sissy. Don't for fucking get. I leave you because you was a sissy. Yeah, I didn't fucking know it by then. I'm out of shit on my fucking dick then. But when I go and get my fucking checkup and everything, I was fine and fucking clean. But yeah, I was a little simple when I was back in fucking school. But let me tell you fucking now, when I buck up on a fucking sissy, I know fucking one. Because I know the signs or when they walking with their fucking ass, with a limp on their fucking toe, they walking on their fucking toe, when they squeezing the white thing up on their fucking ass. See? Let me explain what this white thing is. The white thing is, when you can't fucking nanny, I think this, you start up in your fucking ass, or whatever. Because that's what he tell me. Oh, I screening the nanny. But why you screening the nanny? Stop being a fucking ass. I gotta wash your fucking clothes. Why seeing blood? Why seeing blood? Why seeing blood every night in your fucking clothes? Why seeing blood in your fucking clothes every night? Don't fucking send for me, you big sissy fucking ass. Cause don't forget I leave your fucking ass. Cause you used to get growing in your fucking ass. And the whole world could tell you fucking that. Who really know me? Why I leave your fucking ass? You warm with me every fucking night going to the fucking club. And I don't even know why I went out with you. Cause I gotta bed and I fucking go. I gotta wake up every morning, get my fucking children ready for fucking school, and be to work after the fucking club. Talk about that. Don't worry about me fucking dressing fucking up. I don't watch my pussy, cause you'll never get this pussy again with shit on your fucking dick. Let me tell you one fucking thing. From both fucking dead, your life was a fucking living hell. And you know that, cause you live in pillar of fucking posts and people fucking house, boy. Pillar of fucking posts. And you forget, when I fucking meet you, you tell me your fucking Uncle Odie molest you? On swear my child life. You won't tell me that? See, don't send for fucking me, though. Don't send for fucking me, because I know this history but you. The only thing, what you can say about Aviana. Yeah, Aviana, mommy was in that fucking hype. This, that, you had to give me lunch money. What the fuck? Yeah, you was banging my pussy. You had to give me lunch money. But all you did wanted me to do is get sense to see you was fucking crying a nigga. I wonder why we could fucking get this new fucking apartment. And I know a lot of fucking lifeguards always make up the 3 summer fucking week. You ought to fucking bang for about 10 fucking cars. You understand? Yeah, I ain't watching nothing. You used to give me my little fucking change. I don't give a fuck. All that time you crying for this fucking money. You crying niggas for this fucking money. I really just wonder after the day if you gotta be the one who's getting it in your fucking asses. Your ass is always hurting. And guess what? The thing about it is, I asked my fucking son, where y'all been today? When me and you was mistaken. I said, where y'all been today? He said, by Bo. Well, motherfuck. That means you and my son now fucking Bo. So you'll see every time my son come from by your fucking ass, I used to check his fucking ass. And I used to ask him if he don't fuck you in your ass. But only because I don't want to put my son on this Facebook fucking page, I wouldn't fucking ask him in front of you, you know. Only because I don't want to put my son in this fucking predicament to be up on fucking Facebook, you know. Because guess what? I could fucking ask him on this live right fucking now. And he said, big stinking ass fucking Bo used to give him breaks and he used to sit in the fucking front room. You a Bo acting like a fucking nigga. You a Bo acting like woman and fucking boyfriend. Like when a man and a woman together and the woman I'm in the mall, let the fucking child sit in the front room. Yours fucking dating. But fucking two, Tamika Burrows, which is your sister, could tell y'all, which is Tino's sister, could tell y'all I ain't fucking lying, yeah? Because let me tell you, the fucking phone you bring for me, which when I fucking call her, other nigga fucking up on. I say to me, Tommy had a phone just like this. I say, Tommy, where you get this phone from? This Tino, give me this. I say, where Tino get this phone from? She said, Bo. But I say, Tino, tell me you take this phone from Atlantis. You tell me you take this phone from Atlantis, but Bo. But I ain't even worried about all of that fuck. You understand? Don't stand for fucking me, but I know you're fucking dirt boy. Don't stand for fucking me. The world is sick. You can go post on Facebook and something about fucking me, boy. I can tell you fucking that. And guess what? You think you get friends on fucking Facebook. I get over 500 fucking friends on my Facebook fucking page. And guess what? Every one of them know fucking you. Just when I tell you that, don't stand for me, boy, Tino. Don't stand for me. You forget when I call the fucking phone, both tell me, this been going on before you and him. This been going on before you and fucking him. So, I can't get nut. You a boss girl from you fucking white pants and the fucking red striped fucking shirt. That's what the man tell me. Oh, I can't stop what's going on. I meet this going on. You know, I didn't get sense, you know. I was pondering and I was pondering and I was pondering. But every time I call the same fucking number, a man fucking answer it. It ain't even a woman. I'll feel better if you fucking was cheating with a woman. See? That wasn't your business, you know. Some things you just keep to yourself and you just move on in life. And people wonder why you never leave these fucking niggas and you never fucking, you move on, you know. I was trying to leave that right there. And just while I drop my son by fucking you, when he come check his fucking ass and ask him questions, you know. But see, you take this to a different fucking level, yeah? And at the end of the day, I don't care who look at me fucking different from the day. But let me tell you fucking something. You could never send for fucking me, yeah? You could never send for fucking me. Remember I tell you fucking that, you sissy fucking ass. Remember I tell you fucking that. And I don't care who don't fucking like it. Who don't fucking like it. You get shit on your dick, nigga. Don't never send for me on Facebook. And God is my witness right now. Anybody, if you don't think I lying on this, go to anybody behind my back who live to Milton Street. I don't want to call the people names who live to Milton Street. God is my witness. Go to anybody who still live to Milton Street and ask them, yeah, if you don't think I fucking lying. And ask them, but he first fucking baby mother with name fucking Carry On. Don't send for fucking me, yeah, but I won't be in the fucking club. Yes, I started a fucking club. Yes, I love the fucking club. Yes, after the fucking club, I gotta wake up. I get my son fucking ready. After the club, I gotta fucking go to work. You understand that? Huh? You understand all the fucking that? But you wanna sit down and procrastinate with my fucking life with your shitty ass. You understand? Don't fucking send for me. Don't send for fucking me, boy. I letting you know that I letting you know that fucking now, boy. Don't send for fucking me. Yeah, everybody saying, oh, you have a nice baby daddy. He's so bright and handsome. Why you leave him? That's the fucking reason right there. That's the reason. Yeah, I might not say whatever it is there, but don't never send for me. If me and you have a conversation about our fucking churn, yes, everybody say some things when they're in the fucking mood and this and that. But don't fucking post me up on no Facebook, boy, with your big stinking fucking ass when I know you're fucking dirt. You forget Odie grind on your fucking ass, eh? You forget it. You fucking forget it. You forget to tell me Odie molest you, eh? You fucking forget that? You forget Odie molest you? You forget? You tell me this now. You tell me fucking this. And when I talk this fucking story to people, they just be like, oh, I don't think he can molest a child. I don't think he can molest a child. That's why I used to check my son ass. Now, any one of y'all on the Facebook, if y'all think I freaking lying, go to Milton Street and ask anybody to Milton Street if I lying. Anybody. Trust me, I tell you that. So, Tino, don't send for me, yeah? Because you don't know it is to be a fucking mother boy. Trust me, I tell you that. You don't know it is to be a fucking mother boy. You don't know it is to be a fucking mother boy. You don't know it is to be a fucking mother boy. You can never be a fucking mother, you broke, cheap fucking ass. You don't know it is to be a mother boy. Cheap as you kill your fucking self. Because you're no use on this island. Don't never fucking send for me when I know you're dirt boy. Don't never, ever, ever send for fucking me. Don't forget. Don't send for fucking me. You don't know nothing about me. You don't know not a fuck about me. Nothing about me. Nothing. Nothing about fucking me, boy. All you fucking see is elevations, boy. Elevation. You broke, cheap fucking gay ass. You understand? Thank God I get fucking sense. Now you all fucking put that in your pipe and smoke fucking that. But anybody else who think they would send for fucking me on Facebook?